After running the TWS CJ7 kit a few times, it's been a pretty fun truck to mess around with and seems like a solid kit for the money. Now the truck is mostly plastic, but since it's small and light, I don't think it'll be much of an issue. Chances are you won't be buying this truck to comp crawl with. Due to the small tires and lack of portals, you do have to watch out so you don't get hung up on the axle pumpkins. Just like other crawlers with smaller tires, you definitely have to choose your lines wisely, which makes driving this truck fun and challenging. With the stock gearing and my motor setup on 2S LiPo, the truck isn't the fastest, but it does have quite a bit of torque with all of the gear reduction. I'll put a link to this vehicle in the video description, along with where you can follow TWS RC on social media. Be sure to check them out, and thanks again to TWS RC for sending this kit out. Like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.